Will the divergent inflation picture between the US and the UK drive the British pound higher against the US dollar? Now, the British pound has been one of the best performing currencies this month, up almost 4% against the US dollar since the last day of June. The story appears to be pretty straightforward, with the economic data in the US suggesting some level of control has been gained over inflation, but not so in the UK. On June 21st, the UK CPI came in at a higher than expected 8.7%, compared to the US release on July 12th, which came in below expectations at 3%. Simply put, the market is pricing in an end of the US hiking cycle and a continuation of the BOE's hiking cycle. In June, the BOE hiked rates for the 13th time in a row by 50 basis points to their current level of 5%. JP Morgan analysts had a target of 5.75% as the terminal UK rate, but have recently cautioned that under some scenarios, rates could hit as high as 7%. Now, the next BOE policy meeting is on August 3rd, and expectations are for another 25 basis point hike. By contrast, the market expectations in the U.S. are for one more 25 basis point hike at the July 26th FOMC meeting, but then eases quickly following in March. Now, CME Group offers three different size currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. We're going to be using the micros in these examples. If a trader believes that the British pound could continue higher from here, they could express that by buying the September micro British pound futures contract at 1.3056 and targeting a move to the early 2022 congestion area of 1.3500. A stop for this trade can be placed below at 1.2800. Now, this trade can make $277.50 if the target is reached and risks $160 if you're stopped out of your level. If a trader believes the British pound could fall from here, they could express that by selling the September micro British pound futures contract at 1.3056 and target a move to the May lows of 1.2350. A stop for this trade can be placed above at 1.3400. Now, this trade can make $441.25 if the target is reached and risks $215 if you're stopped out of your level.